So 2 days ago, Soludo hosted the City Boy movement na Anambra State. Biko ka anyị ga-ekene na video Soludo na the City Boy movement me. Biko amam na ndị nọ n'azụ na nnukwu unu. Biko ka anyị ga-ene da video biko anyị chọrọ igbu n'oge. Kono no ka Soludo chi wee sị na ndị Anambra APGA vote to APC come 2027 election. Hope no people are getting the memo now. That in Anambra State governorship election after Soludo will be one of the most contested in the history of Anambra State. Would you wait in Ghana now? You man also know politics. Just can you watch and the video together and then this very video corner for.
About second, and I didn't better, but no, I wrote the politics I can tell you. The politics I want to play for the bind, for the interest of Ndibo, for the interest of Anambra, is to be able to say, I played this politics 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. Here is the evidence. This borehole came because we played this politics. This one happened because we played this politics. And now, doing the ancillaries, the adjoining stuff to the second Niger bridge, and now completing the Enugu-Onitsha federal highway. The president recently, the fastest presidential approval in history I have seen, in designating our Aerotropolis industrial city as an economic free trade zone. And so on and so forth. That is politics. Well, right, they make politics, they make 1 year, 2 years, 10 years. You can't show one borehole that came from there, Abuja, to this place because you play politics. Then they protest. The protest is here. Protest. Meanwhile, the other places are going far. We must end it. I guess on Ivan. I just know in a table, so again over here. I say that even though we are APGA, Anambra is APGA is Anambra, and but despite the fact that we're in APGA, we understand it. We understand that progressives have to work together. Progressives are working together. We have to work together. Progressives have to work together, and we have to carry the message to our people. This South, the turn on the South will complete its 8 years. Okay? But 4 years, if all are 4, I guess so where, not even or if I know that is it. After the 4 years, we'll come back to our people again and say, what happened? What were we able to get? I believe in setting targets and getting results. After 4 years, we'll come back to our people and say, this is what changed. Because we voted. Isn't it? That's what this thing is about. It's not noise making. It's not emotion. It's not, no. Show us the result. And together, we will show results.
Thank you. And then I'm going to go that short video. Now, Soludo Mepelono, we say that he wants to be remembered as somebody who no me politics. At the end of the day, saying this is what came out from Abuja down to Southeast because of politics. So, this is what came out. From Abuja to here. So it is all about pleasing Ndono Abuja. It is not about pleasing Ndenache. So in Achogudi with the investors from other higher authority to the Southeast, let your work speak for you. Kiyo obuna nya bulugono na ihe meleme. And that thing will be here speak for you. Because I see no reason whereby that you not interested in here be here battalion from Abuja. ọtụtụ gị na Tinubu biye na Abuja, because na history will not forget ihe iji ndị Anambra wee mee. Anambra State governorship is not a governorship state ya just ịpụta ka ebe a were tụọ mgbele na. Go and check ndị chigolo Anambra ka ihu na anya dị ha. None of them na the proud of his na ha chigo a state before capital Obi. And the Soludo, if you know professor, I will also urge you and I will also suggest na ikwado taili to no ọchịchị. Do mela ya account ego one dị na Anambra State office mgbe bata. That and na ego one dị mgbe na-apụ. Because I said it in my previous video that na ị na-asị na ile Anambra ka ọ dị ka Dubai. 4 years agakwana. I have a foundation that looks like a mansion the Dubai is being built in Anambra. I have the foundation. Ihe niile lụrụ bus terminal lụrụ is not even 1% of ihe Alex Ochelo na Abia State. Despite not connecting to the center, despite not speaking every time, not achieving a round table of discussion within those. Ina adepi the proud na president via commission na project unu na inekwu. In your video, is one of the fastest getting one of government or hiku na your video. Alex Uti also put a day mewe announce of project in Olugo na Abia State chi yabo. Una nara focus alo bus terminal. People are not going there. Yeah, you can go well, you can take your time. Checking there because how are you doing this? That your own plan is not longer working for you. Your colleague saying, how are you doing this? Have a governor on Abia State, the Ebonyi State na Odevu Umahi Naija. Have a na nwa. Aka nikwa aka nne ha na-eme na Ebonyi State. Nke ha dela ha. Because it's a story for another day. Nke ha mee gịnị deela ha. Mana ịma mbịa na ekwe Tinubu nkwa no APC nkwa that na APGA ya atọ elia. Because I'm in my own mind, I'm still speaking it. The only reason he can well know na APGA is because he just want to retain that name. APGA. Mana on your election, coming election of Anambra State, EMA atupugolo nkito unezi hapozali ogonya na ndemmo. I am foreseeing it as something you are going to do. Because no doroze ewun odogo ewun okoko anya kita na gina Tinubu bụ otu aka na oduolo. Odogo onye ọbụla anya. Mana I will keep saying it and I will say it again. Iji na Anambra State governorship we me mbele or we build a relationship. Do. Obolo na feel that na you can no longer do it. Resign onye na mudi ọchịchị. At least I'm a full-blooded on Anambra State. I'm on Anambra and my age Lugoku HA State. So, obolo ni feel na echidugo woli anyam can complete the next 3 years for life. Mebuguru so posisi ihe ni na ikpobata Anambra State sin on the forces ka abu na ebugali egbe. Posisi ha. Then assign one ndị ya na onye na-alụlụ ọlụ ona. Onye na-alụlụ ọlụ ona. Enwe group na agitate for 1 or 2. Call them to round table. Now what is your discussion? You hear from them. They will also hear from you. Mananke we put na protest, protest, which means we na meeting. By that no matter how bad na Nigeria, everybody should just swallow it. Because we natural only atamper with election uno. Soludo do anama yokwagia. As a bona fide citizen of Anambra State, iji na Anambra bayi wetu mgbele. Iji na Anambra bayi wetu mgbele, and iji na Anambra we build a relationship with Tinubu. I'm not against your relationship. I'm not assuming unubasa. No, keep your relationship with him, and let there be a line between Anambra State and the Lagos State and Abuja and APC. Chi Anambra ginu udoli tuwe. Konye ozoligolo. Ho ha. Oye menji ya kuli ha kite ya kusia ike. Nkine kwa munu. Kwa dekwan.